What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota BZ4X remote key fob. This key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my finger's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we take a look in that space where we just pulled this key out of, you can see where I'm touching right here, and it's a little bit hard to see, but there's a little bit of a notch right there. And if you notice, there's a little bit of a lip on this key. So what I'm going to do is take my key and push it in that notch like that, make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then I'm just going to twist the key like I'm opening a lock. As I do that, you can see it starts to open the case. Then I'm going to flip the key fob over so the buttons are facing down and pull the back cover off. We can see our battery right here. I'm going to use my key to come right here and get under the edge of the battery and help pop it out of that little holder like that. Then I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first like that and then snap it down into place. And if your circuit board's moved around at all, make sure it's sitting down in that clear rubber piece like that as it needs to be. Then we can snap the two halves back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.